what is the joint family and what is the benefits of the families in the societies. Its plays major roles in all over the world which having the joint families. So let's start. Joint families come from the Latin word familia, which means household. This was totally applicable in the joint families in India, living together under the same roof, and grandfathers, their sons, and grandsons with their wife and children. Instead, a unique experience, especially in India village. The earning of every adult members go into the common fund or pull out of which all expenditures is incurred. The final authorities is families matters is the grandfathers, but the grandmothers has authorities over all the younger women in the family. There was extended kindship or relationships in the deal sense of the word. Family ties were close and tightly committed. There was a common kitchens and there was no questions to even newly married couples having the separate arrangement for the cooking and eating food. The parent hold on the children's was remarkable. Defiance on elders was unthinkable. There was total and genuine respect for all elders and firm discipline was maintained. It is everything because it happens majorly scenes in the India's families and on the others world or abroad have seen very less. Joint families like the autonomous village communities and the caste systems were distinctive features of the Indian social structures for centuries. Since all the members were joined, shared in the common properties of the family, inheritance was by supervisorship and thus principles of the oldest sons succeeding to the prosperities of his fathers on the latter demise was allowed. Women seldom enjoy qualities of status. In fact, they were all too preoccupied with domestic duties and courage to think of right and privilege. But the joint family systems has been rapidly breaking up in India as the result of the encouraging individualistic and independent attitude of grown-up children in their families. There is no scope for the individuals' initiatives or enterprise. There is a far too much of suppression implicated behind obedience of the eldest members and dictate events when these comments are irrational, biased and discriminative in nature and impact. A joint family is allowed no argument, dissent and discussions at all over the common and one side of the obedience on the others. Disobedience is almost unimagined. There is a seldom case of the rebel's defiant child. One has to eat was cooked in the community's family kitchen where the food is to one's taste or not. Friendships with other women and their age group, social invitations where families' personal liberties few. The caste system further imposed social restrictions. Every member's males or females was bound for the custom, traditions, and cultures to which the elders were habituated. Little wonders that there were no opportunities for the development of individual personalities. Life was dull and boring. There was no varieties which a right regard the spice of life. There certainly was social and economic securities of all members. No members to join families, elder or younger, had two brothers. About food and shelters problems which cause a great deal of worries people who are living separate and entirely on their own resource. Expenditures and illness also come from this commonality, but it did not ensure happiness always. The fire service common kitchens would be kept worrying all the dish through the feedings system was very much common and commonly kitchens. Uh, but the modern times, both before the after marriage, taken up employment in office and factories to supplement of the families comes. In this joint families once had to suffer silently, no voice was and no protest were made. Joint families are unsuitable for the social and economic conditions as if inevitable and systems unblaming in most places under the mounting modern places. There was very few exceptions for joint families now, and these may not last long. Thank you. Bye bye. For more informations, you can like, share, and comment to us.